and welcome to the Gateway City Tiko, and we're right here at the Tiko Council where Data Girl Tech in collaboration with her partners organizing the STEM Reach project.
The STEM Reach project is a project by Data Girl Technologies which aims to empower 200 women in the southwest region of Cameroon as a whole and with tech skills. And the goal is really to foster the next generation of female tech talents in Africa. So at Tiko, we are empowering 50 young women, teaching them in digital literacy, Microsoft, Excel, PowerPoint, introduction to hardware, email marketing, Internet of Things, and yeah, a few more things. And it's been quite interesting having people from different walks of life just coming together and eager to learn about tech. Yeah.
My name is Haizala Chunga and I am a tutor at Data Girl Technology. My experience so far have been incredibly rewarding, and beyond training, I have learned a lot from these women that I train, how to be patient, how to communicate, and how to relate with different students, because we have, at least you have students that are slow, but I've learned a lot to communicate and relate with these students.
It has been a very wonderful experience with Data Girls from the day one up to the end of our course, because we have been empowered in I can say all the field in computing, right? From Microsoft to PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel. I've got an information about Microsoft Excel, so you can say, how can I work on Excel? But I saw myself working and calculating things in Excel that I said, wow, am I the one doing this? So I was just like, wow, it's thanks to Data Girls.
I learned how to design through PowerPoint. So I want to thank the Data Girls for this opportunity and the Tiko Council, because it has helped me a lot in particular and is going to help my school too a lot.
I can proud to tell people now that I'm computer literate. I can go to WordPad and do something. I can go to PowerPoint and do something. I can go to Excel and do something. Worst of all, people have imported us Nerve Tech, who have taught us how to do designing, key and the rest, and we have succeeded so far.
I had a bit of knowledge about computers, but I really wanted to, because as a teacher, the minister has emphasized that teachers should teach with presentation and projection, and I'm somehow like a guilty teacher up to the point that I was trying to go and learn computers, and I'm already a fulfilled teacher, if I can put it.
We are privileged for this opportunity to work with Data Girls on this STEM Reach project to empower young ladies and women who are living in these remote areas or communities with skills that will enable them to be able to monetize and make a way for a good living in their communities. Also, today we are actually having a session on 3D modeling and printing, and we believe through this session we are empowering these ladies to see how they can gain the skills to bring their imaginations, their ideas to life. And that's our part we are playing in as a partner with Data Girls to enable them bring this imagination to life and see how they can solve the problems they are facing in their communities.
Respected ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome once again to the graduation ceremony of the STEM Reach project. Tiko, so excited! people right here are tech women and men, and they are ready to go on and conquer the world in the light of digital innovation.
What we have actually witnessed for these past 2 months, our prayer is that if we can have several of such opportunities, even till the end of the year, I think with us here in the Tiko municipality, people will actually upgrade, and then within the community again, at least people will see the need of becoming computer literate. So I want to seize this opportunity to actually thank the Data Girl Technologies for this wonderful initiative. In actual fact, as I've said, to sum it all, is an innovation to us.